Welcome to WUH Creator. I hope everyone is doing great. In this video, we're going to learn how you can check the timing of any country around the world using the built-in world clock feature on your computer. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel, WUH Creator, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech tutorials and updates. Alright, let's get started. First, go to your search bar and type WUH clock. Now, open the clock app from the search results. On the left side, you'll see several options like alarm, timer, and world clock. Click on world clock. Here, you'll notice that by default, it shows your local time and your current location on the map. Now, let's add the timing of other countries to compare time zones easily. On the right side below, you'll find a red icon. Click on that. You can now search for any city or country whose time you want to know. Let's start with England. Type England in the search bar, you'll see multiple cities appear. Let's select Bradford, and then click on Add. Now you can see that Bradford, England has been added to your world clock list. It also shows that England's time is 3 hours and 30 minutes behind our local time. Pretty cool, right? It even shows you its location on the map. Now let's add another important one, Indian. In the search bar, type India or New Delhi, and click on Add. You'll now see New Delhi added to your list, showing its current time. Notice that India's time is 1 hour ahead of our local time. This helps you understand how the time zones differ between your country, England, and India all at a glance. Now, whenever you need to check the time in another country, whether it's for a meeting, a call, or just curiosity, you can simply open the world clock and check all the time zones you've added. It's a very handy feature, especially if you work or communicate internationally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WUH Creator for more simple and useful tech tutorials. And make sure to press the bell icon so you'll never miss our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. WUH Creator, simplifying tech for everyone.